What is up, everybody? It's Riz back with another video, baby. Today I got a finger coil video for y'all. I did with my hair.
Well, what else were you gonna do it with?
It turned out pretty bad, but we still gonna show y'all what happened because it's entertainment. So let's get into it. I don't know why, and I did not watch anybody else's finger coil videos before I did this, but I thought it would be a good idea to wet my hair, you know, so I could get a little extra slippage in. But I ain't gonna ruin nothing. Like, keep watching, you'll see how it turned out. I kept having to readjust the shower head because I was getting water all over the floor. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, after I did this and got out the shower, I almost busted my ass on the floor. Y'all would have had wrists with a broken rib cage. My hair kinda cute though, look. I'm all wet and stuff. I just went straight into parting my shit, bro, knowing damn well I don't know how to part. And then I wasn't really even trying to part, cause since I noticed my weakness, like, I was just gonna like finger it and then just section it, you know what I'm saying? Like, of course some of the little coils was gonna be bigger than the other, whatever, cause like I said, I don't really know how to do hair. Okay, I'm showing the products. Look at me. Yo, I really only use like shea butter and coconut oil on my hair. Like, I don't know, some people be asking me, what do you use on your hair? Bro, coconut oil and shea butter. Like, that's really all you need. Y'all be putting too much stuff in y'all head, bro. I don't use gel. I don't use leave-in conditioner. I mean, technically, the shea butter and the coconut oil is leave-in conditioner, but you know what I'm saying. Combing them naps out. I really don't know why I was combing my hair out for this long, like that one section, but I really be doing that to my hair, bro. I was trying to show y'all how much I was gonna put in there. I ain't gonna lie to you, I ain't put an even amount throughout my head. Like, that's always how it be. One side you put a little bit more than you put on the other side. I be forgetting. Okay, so yeah, here is when the issue starts. You see how it's coiling, but like, I was like, damn, like, I don't remember it being this hard to coil. Then I was like, let me move on. And then my camera ran out of storage. So this is the finished product. As y'all can see, this is a fail, okay? A fail, a big ass F. I'll probably be better next time, you know what I'm saying? But I was like, I can't walk around like this, so I just threw my shit up in a bun. Now, some of y'all gonna say this ain't a fail, whatever, you know what I'm saying? I seen worse. No, it's a fail. I'm gonna tell you why. My camera stopped working. My hair really ain't cool, okay? As you can see by the roots of my head, like, I couldn't even get the roots to curl. So you feel me? But thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and I'm out. Bye.